Racing just is started. We have Joel's choice. Break quickly at the start. Cuts away is on the outside. Zenyares in the middle portion. Mirabal comes next. Gracious host. Zemper Fidelis Mascrat. While Gifted Champ is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Cuts away by about half length. And on the outside, Joel's choice. Alongside third comes Mirabal. Zenales comes next. Moving up now to take fifth is Zemper Fidelis. Masquerade is down on the inside. Then next on Ladies Gracious Host. While Gifted Champ is still racing in last half mile distance. They traveled. We have Cuts away by about half length. And on the outside second is Joel's Choice. Moving up on the outside Mirabal. Zenales comes next. Masquerade. Zemper Fidelis Gracious Host. While Gifted Champ is still racing in less than a fourth turn. The lead now belongs to Joel's Choice by our head. Cuts away is down on the inside Mirabal. Zenales comes next, moving up Masquerade. And on the outside now is Semper Fidelis. Down on the inside, Gracious Host and Gifted Champ as they swing for there was his field. Jockey M.F. Reyes Jr. on top of horse Mirabal left unseated. We have Joel's Choice by about 3 lengths, followed by Zenales, and on the outside Semper Fidelis, and finally it's Joel's Choice. Zenales, then comes number 6 Gracious Host, Semper Fidelis, close, cuts away, and Gifted.
May insidente na naman tayo as the horses reach the top of the stretch.